Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the concept of human evolution. Okay. Now, as per the rules of binomial nomenclature, the scientific name for human is Homo sapiens, where the words have a Latin origin. Homo means human being and sapiens implies wise or sensible. Or we can say the modern man, the Homo sapien means a wise or sensible human being, right? Now, as far as human evolution is considered, fossil records and the molecular phylogeny techniques, these tools have revealed that the earliest members of Homo sapiens, they have been traced back to Africa, or we can say that our roots, our origin corresponds to Africa. Later, our ancestors, they spread to other continents of the world in stages, or we can say that even our evolution, the evolution of man, that also occurred in stages. Okay. Now, although all humans belongs to the same species, but still there is a great diversity in terms of features, right? Or to put it in other words, we can say there is a high degree of variation in terms of forms and features. A good example of this is the character of skin color, or we can say skin tones. In humans, we have different skin tones, and based on that, people have been identified as white, brown, or black. See, this is how the word human race came into light. The word race means a group of people with the same visible attributes like skin tone, facial features, hair color, or even say texture. It can be anything, but the visible attributes. So, on the basis of these visible attributes, the people have been grouped into races. But this word race, it has a different meaning in society. Many people react in one way if they see a white person, and in another way if they see a black person. All this has raised a myth of black inferiority and discrimination. And this racism, it has led these people deprived of basic human rights, which is absolutely wrong. However, if we discuss about this term race in the context of biology, there is no scientific basis for race. Instead, it is just a made up label that people have created themselves. Modern biology declines the concept of race. Instead, it supports the notion that all humans belong to a single species. Or we can say if the word race is to be used, then all humans belong to a single race, regardless of the place they have lived their entire life, or regardless of the skin tone they have, or even if they possess different facial features. Irrespective of all these factors, all the humans belong to a single race or to a single species. The only possible reason for the differences in their characters or in their features are due to the genetic variations and environmental changes that have made these individuals adapted, since these individuals belong to different geographical regions. To understand it, let's see. As early humans, they moved into hot and open environmental conditions for in search of food or water. Exposure from strong sun rays damaged their skin. So the only possible solution was to evolve their skin in such a way that it was permanently dark, so as to protect against the sun's more damaging rays. Right? Thus, they developed darker skin tone. On the contrary, people who migrated to colder geographic zones with less sunlight, they developed lighter skin color. So this is how this difference in skin tone, this evolved. Okay, I hope you have got the concept now. Thank you.